after our last dangerous adventure.
We returned to Egypt to finish our exploration. Time passed by. Someone has reached the Book of Curses earlier than us. According to the legends, only that book can bring Anubis to life.
This thing is never gonna end.
Every history is worth life.
Evie, there's something wrong with you. I almost lost you once. It's not gonna happen again.